Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we'll look at the headlines. Sonia Gandhi makes pro-people announcements. May it be regional plan, mining or MOI, says all will be done as people want. Sesa Goa decides to merge with Sterlite Industries unit to be known as Sesa Sterlite. Youth from Maharashtra caught at Patra Devi checkpost on suspicion of having electronic voting machines. 35 EVMs in vehicle found to be dummy ones. And Sporting Club skipper Keita Boubacar, confident of finishing second or third in the I-League, mood in the Flaming Orange camp positive, says Republic of Guinea defender. And now the news in detail. It was the meeting Congress was banking upon to regain campaign momentum. Sonia Gandhi landed at Fattauda and just did that with number of pro-people announcements. May it be regional plan, mining, MOI or stability of the government, she assured all.
AICC President Sonia Gandhi has assured that Congress would finalize regional plan only after people's participation. She informed that parents should choose medium of instruction at the primary level for their children. Gandhi expressed her condolences to the family of the victims of the Hardona bus tragedy.
The Chief Minister has affirmed before me that the plan will be finalized only after taking into account the views of all the stakeholders. Our party believes that parents should be able to decide on what language they want their children to study at the primary level.
Sonia Gandhi appealed to the people to vote for Congress for stable government. She assured an impartial Lok Ayukta bill for the state. Congress is also assured to deal with illegal mining.
We have already taken very strong steps to deal with the menace of illegal mining and mining that destroys the local ecology. Mining acts are being amended. The young people need new opportunity, new job opportunity, and they need to learn new skills to be able to access those jobs opportunity.
Our reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Vedanta Resources has decided to merge its Indian subsidiary Sesa Goa with Sterlite Industries into a single unit. The unit would be known as Sesa Sterlite. Both the companies are being merged to cut cost and improve cash flows. So the bottom line is, Goa will be missing in brand Sesa.
Sesa Goa is one of the biggest iron ore exporters from India. Sterlite Industries is also a well-known metal and mining company in India. Both are part of Vedanta. Vedanta has issued a statement that as a first step, it will merge non-ferrous metal producer Sterlite Industries into sister concern and iron ore miner Sesa Goa. The boards of the companies have approved the issue of the 3 shares of Sesa Goa for every 5 shares held in Sterlite. The new unit would be known as Sesa Sterlite. Vedanta's unlisted unit Vedanta Aluminium along with Madras Aluminium Company will then be transferred to the merged company. The combined entity Sesa Sterlite is estimated to be valued over $20 billion. Company officials say at current valuation, Sesa Sterlite would be in top 15 companies by market capitalization in India. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Youth from Maharashtra were caught at Patra Devi checkpost by the flying squad on suspicion of having electronic voting machines. The youths who had come to Goa on a trip were stopped by the flying squad after they found 35 EVMs in the vehicle. The machinery was later found to be dummy electronic voting machines made out of thermocol.
इनके साथ में आप ज़्यादा साउंड वाली तो चलो घूम के आएंगे गोवा से। वो क्या चीज़ है फिर घूम के आएंगे? वो उधर डाला ना, उनका अलग जो मटेरियल था उनके बड़ी बड़ी करके इन दैट महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शन रिजल्ट इलेक्शन वो जो उधर रखा हुआ पैसा किधर से विड्रॉ किया है? नहीं साहब, वो मेरा पैसा नहीं, वो बाकी जो है वो सब कौन सा 100 का पैकेट जो है तो वो इनके बंधु ने दे दिया है।
Satish Jadhav and Sanjay Singh from Maharashtra had come down in the state with their Swift Desire vehicle. Election Commission's flying squad, while conducting the inspection of the car, found 35 electronic voting machines in the vehicle. Officials further inspected the car and found cash 60,000 rupees with the youths. They were later brought to Pedne police station for interrogation. The police found out that the electronic voting machines were made out of thermocol. Police also investigated on the cash details. Sanjay Singh informed that the money was provided to him by his brother in Maharashtra. Further investigations revealed that the cash was withdrawn from a bank in Sawantwadi. They were later released by Pedne police after getting their written statement. Our reporter from Pedne, Vinod Methar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.